What's up guys, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we're gonna do something different that I don't know if we even have a video of a box van that we've done here. I know some of you guys out there in YouTube land or in Instagram land, wherever land you may be living in, have done a box van with our kit, but we haven't done one here at the shop. I don't think ever, and I'm almost positive we don't have a video on it if we did, so why not do it on this? And this is the Butcher's van. Rusty Butcher? I'm gonna screw this up. Rusty Butcher?
Rusty Butcher.
Yeah, see?
That's the company name.
Rusty Butcher. I thought for some reason I'm saying it wrong. Anyways, guys, check out Rusty Butcher. Dude's a badass. Does badass shit on Harleys. I can't ride a bike like that. I'm not even gonna try. Nope. But anyways, what I can do is I can build him a awesome van, box van, and that's what we're gonna do, guys. So stay tuned on this episode. We're gonna go through this thing. We're gonna build it. We're gonna put a lift on it. It's gonna be awesome. And when we're done with this one, we're gonna do another one for him because they're just that rad. You know it, guys. If you don't have one, you need one. You guys are missing out. I'm telling you. Let's go build. Was that loud enough for you guys? Look at this thing. It's all done now. We showed you guys this when we started it. It's done. It's awesome. It drives awesome. Well, it could drive better. We did not do leaf springs in the rear of this, but let's just jump into this build. Let's talk about what we did. And since I started with the back, talking about how we didn't do it, we totally cheated on this, and that's okay. You know, it's not the end of the world, but we just did a block in the rear. So of course it doesn't ride as rad as I would like it to ride, as if we did a custom set of springs in the back. Dude, how could you not just love how this thing sits? So underneath here, we've tucked a set of 265, 70, 17 open country, some Toyos. You know, guys, we love our Toyo tires. Yes, we do. And we don't ever run these wheels. These are a set of fuel wheels. So something totally different. Kind of reminds me of like the Black Rhino, like the Arsenal wheel. You know, very kind of military. Definitely something cool, and especially for a box van, I think that this is pretty rad. So that is what we did to the rear. Let's go jump to the front, check that out. And I just want to point this out so you can see this 265 tire fits really nice in here. A lot of you guys ask, hey, I want to run like a 265. I don't really want a 285. How is it going to look with a 6-inch kit? I understand that this is on a box van, but just keep that in mind that still a 265 70 17 still looks really nice on a van, a box van, a bus, whatever you want to put. Anytime you go a bigger tire, it's going to look better. It doesn't look out of proportion, and I'll even point that out in the front that it's still a good size tire to run, whether you want to do a 4 or 6-inch kit. This is a 6-inch kit though. Remember that, Baja grocery getter. And as we talk about Baja grocery getters, dude, this, man, just think of all the groceries you could load in this bad dog. It'd be a lot of groceries, huh? We did the Baja grocery getter. There it is. Now you can see that fuel wheel logo right there on the front of this. Obviously we could not run it on the back because it has the full floater rear end. definitely can't do that because of how far it sticks out. So on the front, our normal Baja grocery getter kit, we did our Fox shocks, our coils, our extended radius arms, and new brackets. So you can see we've had to come up here and trim the bumper a little bit, and that's pretty typical whether you're gonna run a 265 or 285. But what's great is if you look, all of the room that you're going to have in the back here, I mean, we have a whole hand width back here. So if you did wanna go to a bigger tire, that's totally doable with the amount of space you have in the back because we've pushed it all forward. That's a huge plus in this. So if you're wanting to run that 285, or maybe you want to get crazy and go up to 35s, you never know. So a little bit of trimming, if you don't mind the trimming, no problem. So our Fox steering stabilizer that we've done on there, and if you haven't seen it, we finally made a video on how to install that Fox steering stabilizer if you want to do it yourself. And you can do that on any E-Series platform, and I'll throw up a card right there. You guys can check out that video. But, dude, I just want to go drive this thing. I want to go on like a road trip. Where are we going? When's Mark going to get here and be like, hey, Mark, Rusty Butcher, what's up? Let's go on a road trip. Where are we going? So, I think that's all. Watch out for the mirror. I just took out the back of the mirror. Watch out. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys. This thing is just rad. I can't wait to see what these guys do with it. I'm sure they're gonna do some silly stuff, and I can't wait to see that. If you wanna see more on these guys, we will put I'll make Austin, whack, smack Austin. Put a link down below, Austin. Rusty Butcher, Instagram, YouTube, and Butcher's World, right? That's it. So check him out. He's got all kinds of cool stuff, rides Harleys, does badass things. So that's it for me, guys. That's all I got. I'm done. I gotta go to work. So I'll see you guys later, all right? See ya.